Basket pa, Mr. Joel. Nabitawan mo ng goal!
Bagsak Mepa, mga kabalen. Isang malupit na bakbakan sa pagitan ng Team Jasper MJ laban naman sa team ng Ares Bravo Abarca, mga idol, sa paliga po ng High School Bukol Intercommercial powered by Marcos Lucas. At syempre po, nagpapasalamat ako kay Coach Kuya Jonathan Benedict Buwan, mga idol, kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makasali sa ganitong paliga. Syempre, wala na rin tayo sa kondisyon, mga idol. At syempre, marami na tayong ginagawa, pero yung pagkakataon na ito, maraming salamat, Coach. Well, mga kabalen, tapatan nga ito ng mga shooter, mga idol, kasi nasa kabila si Mr. Piso Piso Jeric Nakpil, nakakampi si Diausen. Habang sa team naman namin, kasama namin si Greg Cunana ng LPU at ilang varsity. At syempre, mga idol, si Joel Masangkay at ibang malupit na player din. Kaya heto na po, mga idol, panoorin nyo po ang highlights ng aming team laban naman sa team ng Ares Bravo para sa ating malupit na basketball memories. One Love Basketball, One Love Kapampangan, Bagsak Mepa.
Ares Bravo, Jasper MJ yun ang tapik for Jasper MJ. Bigay for jersey number 32. Injuries na agad tayo. Diausen naman. Acting yente ng Santa Rita. Nandito rin. Galora. Point. 3 points to jersey number 0. Galora. Jersey number 10. 5 on the shot line. 4. 3 points to jersey number 11. Diausen for the pull-up J. Piso lang. Para kay Cristo. Pull-up J to jersey number 49. With the backboard to jersey number 49. Good for 2. Number 17 ang may tangan ng bola. 5. 3 points to jersey number 17. Shot like, kalbala lang. Walang ang open shot itong si jersey number 29. Bowers at this. Jersey number 0. Balik kay Diausen, pangalawa 3. Kick out, Pedro Mepa Galura, pull of J, piso lang. Kick out, jersey number 11, 3 points, pangalawang bitaw. For jersey number 25. Rapaz, running J, good for J, para kay jersey number 13, Manuel. Greg Cunana naman, ang bright na mabalakat. Eto na, lang mga, good. 3 minutes and 35 time remaining. Jersey number 12. It's at 5. Well, by the 3 points to jersey number 11. Pakatlong bitaw pa rin ang kamay nito. Diausen proving the ball. Handle pass for Diao with for 2. Official is lower. 18 as support for jersey number 35. Ikaw na naman. Good for 2. Flag. 40 seconds. 10 on the shot flag. 3 points to jersey number 92. Pabo, then on the shot lock, Mr. Jeric Nakpil. Ang orik na Mr. Piso yan. 5 seconds. Drop. And wala. Basket. Pass the outside. High pass. Para dito kay Eric Yao. Good for 2. Eric Yao, ang bola. Kick out. Ball ang susuko. 3 points to jersey number 91. Time. Kumagawa na ito na for jersey number 17. The outside the left. Hot down. 8 minutes time remaining. Joel 5. 3 points to jersey number 14. Joel Masangkay. Outlet pass. Bondo. Piso lang. Para kay jersey number 5. Kick out. Ball break. 3 points to jersey number 35. Ball. 14 on the shot clock. 3 points to jersey number 32. Ikaw, Jeric Nakpil. Piso lang. Para yung Sir Jeric. 5 minutes and 15 time remaining. AJ Binog, pass it back for Bondo. Lays it up. It's good for 3. Pass kay Bondo. High post game. Ikaw, to jersey number 32. 3 points to jersey number 32. Diausen naman ang bibitaw. 3 points to jersey number 8 seconds on the shot clock. Greg pass it back for jersey number 29. 3 points to jersey number 29. Come on, ang didiscarte. For the kick out. Galora. 3 points to jersey number 0. Galora. Out outlet pass. Jersey number 10 going to the basket. Sinimplihan lang yung jersey number 10. Ikaw, ang gagambang kuryente. 3 points for jersey number 11. 42 to 50. Tambay idol, Barcelona. Bawing agado, reply itong si Dialzen. Dialzen, outlet pass, Galura. Brad Manuel, pinalipa ni Manuel. Waiting. Fine Torres naman, kick out to jersey number 11, Gagamboy. Wala makakawala for Gagamboy. Jersey number 10 naman, itinutong na lang yung jersey number 10. Baba po na single digit. Ikaw, Galura, ball back, 10 on the shot lock. Full okay, good for 2. The jersey number 0. Ayun. Jersey number 10, good for 2. Jersey number 29, passing it for jersey number 18, parts along 2 points.
Let's go!
29, 5 the last way.
Iwan na akong gano'n. Looking on the shot clock, quarters for 1-2. Good work by Jersey number 45, Sabas. Drop pass, cross pass for goal. Tulang bola yan. Number 92. Biglang angat. Para sa naman for jersey number 92, good for 2.
Buena pared, sige! Others! Labito mo lang, labito mo lang.
Bigay for Gagamboy. Gagamboy.
Tas kamay! Tas kamay! Tas kamay!
18 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 11, Gagamboy. Greg connect to number 92. Raise it up. Good for 2.
Uli!
Seconds on the shot clock. Ball back to Gagamboy. Cross pass. Pulot naman for Greg. Jersey number 29. Good for 2. Basket count. Goal interference. Figured out 14 on the shot clock. Jersey number 10. Good for 2. 30 seconds for 3. For jersey number 18, the back of the basket, high-low pass. Good for 2 to jersey number 29. It is a Sergio boy, jersey number 10. Walking in the right. Good for 2 to jersey number 10. Jersey number 24 lays it up. On set. Lamboy for Greg. Greg naman, high-low pass. Bam. Good for 2. Ang alamangan ng Aras Bravo, Greg. Good for 2. Dumakabot for the set. For the first drive for jersey number 18, Red. Basket. Let's see for the second third tayo para kay jersey number 18. Red po na, standby lang idol. Pag bumasket, pwede kang pumasok. For the second shot, it's good. At moving tayo for Mr. Jack of Philippines. Mr. Jack of Sugaling. Then on the shot clock, jersey number 10, Pagpog, grab cross, good for 2. The basket by Mr. Joel. Sa bitawan, Dudong Doel. Okay, best player of the game is Casey Diauzet. That's our best player. Best player of the game now. Diauzet. Diauzet.